How are you, my dear students? I hope everyone is safe and also okay and fine. Today, I am going to start our new topics. Basically, it's not a new topics. In the previous class, we also discussed about the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. Here, the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale basically measuring scale of temperature. Today, in the previous class, I just also added in the new topics. Basically, this new topics is the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. Here the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. Please see everyone the books and the page number is 102. Here's the Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale. Basically they are two scale and the relation between. Here's the relation between. If you know the temperature in Celsius scale, it can easily be transformed into Fahrenheit scale, and the by Celsius and Fahrenheit scale versa. For this you have to know an equation. Here I just give you the equation. Basically this equation is, please everyone see very carefully. Here's the Celsius is basically C and also the 5, and the Fahrenheit scale is the F minus 32 divided by 9. Here's the basically this equation is this structure. Basically it's also a equation. Here's the relation between. I just find out what's the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. The equation is, again I also repeat, the equation is C divided by 5 and the equal to 5 minus 32 divided by 9. Basically, where C is the temperature in Celsius scale and the F is equal to the temperature in the Fahrenheit scale. Now let us look at an example. Please everyone hear this the example. The example, a player of the Bangladeshi cricket team fell sick while playing in Australia. Here the two countries. First country is the Bangladesh and the second country is the Australia. An Australian doctor measured his temperature and found it 38 degrees Celsius. What was the body temperature of the player in Fahrenheit scale? Again, I also explained this is the equation. Basically, C is the Celsius scale and F is the Fahrenheit scale. We know that here the C is equal to 38 degrees Celsius. Again, this structure is basically C equal to 38 degrees Celsius. Now, we also remarks this, the C is equal to basically 38 degree Celsius and divided by 5, and this structure is F minus 32 divided by 9. Here's the students, here's the 5 into 5, basically F minus 32, and the another structure is 9 equal to 38. Basically 9 equal to 38. Here's the basically 5 minus 32. Basically, please everyone see the books. Therefore, 38 divided by 5. In the question, we also know the doctor measured his temperature is the 38 degree Celsius and equal to or 5 minus 32. 5 equal to F minus 32 divided by 9 into 38. Now, F minus 32, here's again I just explained F minus 32 equal to 5 divided by 9 into 38. Again I just explained the 9 into 38. Here's the basically 9 equal to 38, F minus 32. Again I just explained 9 into 38 divided by 342. 342 divided by 5. Here's the 342 divided by 5. Basically, it's also the 68.4, and the 5 equal to F minus 32. And here's I just this structure basically 68.4 plus 32, and the 68.4 is plus 32. Basically, its structure is the 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. Do you explain this. Basically this structure is that the body temperature of the player in Fahrenheit scale is equal to 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. Dear students, please everyone remarks this equation. Again, I just explain about the equation. Basically, C divided by 5 equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. Here's the another topics is the lesson 6 to 7. Expansion of matter due to effect of heat. Here's the expansion of matter due to effect of heat. The most of the substances expand in volume by the application of heat. The expansion is so minor for solid. Most of the liquids do not expand so much by the application of heat, but the gaseous substance expands more by the application of heat. There's the basically experiments. Here's the expansion of solids. What? Proof of expansion of solids required equipment. A brass ball and the ring, fire and stand. A brass ball and a ring are so made that the ball can easily simply pass through the ring when it is cold. Insert ring and ball to stand as shown in the figure. Now try to pass the ball through the ring. You will see that the ball has passed through the ring. Now take the ball and hit it. Try to pass the ball through the ring. Is the ball going to pass through the ring? No, it is not passing. Caution. Basically, be careful while working with the hot metals or objects. Why is not the brass ball passing through the ring when it is heated? The reason is that the ball has expanded. The ball has expanded a little due to heat. It proves that most of the solids expand by the application of heat. But this expansion is so minor that we cannot understand easily. Generally, metal expands a great by the application of heat in the solid matter. Another structure is basically the effect of expansion of solids in our daily life. In our daily life, we will understand how we make the best use of expansion of solid in our daily life from the examples given below. First explain is basically, have you ever seen that the neck of glass bottle which contains jam, sauce, etc. is so tightly fitted and that it cannot be opened easily? At this stage, generally the metallic neck of the bottle is heated. Then it is opened so easily by twisting. Why does the neck open so easily then? Because due to heat, the metallic neck expands and opens up. So it opens so easily then. Second experiment is basically, have you seen rail lines? Then train runs on the rail lines on the two parallel line strips. You may have seen that there is a gap between two conservative rails of a rail line. What is the cause of it? In fact, some gaps are kept between two consecutive rails willingly. The iron rails turn hot when the trains run on heat and it is caused due to the friction of wheels with them. As a result, the lines increases in length. If there is no gap between the rails, the line will be twisted. The rail increase and fill us the gap so that the lines do not twist or bend. Another is expansion of liquid. Here's the expansion of liquid. The expansion of liquid is much higher than the expansion of solid in volume. Thermometer is made using the expansion of liquid metal mercury. Already you have learned it. You will learn in the chapter titled The Change of Climate that the temperature of the earth is increasing. As a result, the height of the sea surface is increasing as well as the expansion of the volume of the sea. My dear students, I just explain basically most important explain. We just draw explain about the equation. This equation is the math summary. And the another topic is lesson 6 expansion of matter due to effect of heat. Dear students, today I just explained these topics. Maybe this topic is very important topics for your final exam. Thank you today, my dear students. Bye.